And I think, Honorable Kagusha, you must get a team of lawyers and document the atrocities that were committed by that criminal gang against the people in the 90s, because those were crimes against humanity, and start engaging the International Criminal Court. That the ICC should not wait until crimes against humanity have been committed. This gang is known to have committed crimes against humanity. Now, with the sponsorship of government, they have come back. And for sure, they have started. So, Bwana Kagusha, get a team of lawyers to write to the ICC to invite them to come to Kenya and make sure that the activities of that criminal gang sponsored by government is not allowed to take place. Atimia maroni de mundu ucio TV ne matina koma ne kuhauka kati gwatimia tondu mundu wanarumo ni nyamu njiro ona kanyongo ake kate akora na tuge ndungirasimisha andu gukwenda na ndungihũthĩra nyanake icio kwenderia andũ guoya kana ciũke ciĩke mĩtugo ĩrĩa ciarĩ nayo, maũndũ marĩa mekire atumia aitũ, maũndũ marĩa mekire airĩtu aitũ, kũhangaica andũ a biacara, atĩ nĩgetha ũracimicie andũ makwende. And we want to know, watu wametekwa nyara. Why can police go watafute hiyo watu wametekwa nyara na nani kuliko kulinda hiyo kikundi haramu? Pombe haramu nilikuwa nimemaliza. Kweli ama uongo? Imerudi haijarudi? Why can't police, instead of giving protection to that criminal gang as directed by the Deputy President, why can't police be deployed to deal with illicit brews and drugs instead of giving security to a criminal gang to commit crimes? Hiyo ndio ile maswali wa Kenya wanajiuliza. So mimi niseme, Father, umesema wewe unasikiza ground, hata mimi nasikiza. Sasa huyu mheshimiwa Ngujiri wa Mbogo tulimkataa wakati ule kwa sababu hakusikiliza ground. Lakini tunaona kama yeye alikuwa amesikiza ground. I think all of us were wrong. Mheshimiwa Ngujiri was right. Because alikuwa amesema hapo yeye hawezi enda. Tukamtupa. Mimi nilimpiga sana. Na nyinyi, si tulimpiga? Sasa ile alikuwa anatuambia mtaona, ndio hii tunafanya nini? Votire weli dagage vitage kata. Kama hitia tiuru, uru de kata. Ngujiri akawe akaweka odoe na watu welire. Toto wakuhurire tugikuingata na watu welite hausha. Ule turarerera kioro. Ngujiri tone na kata arake menya ajira ri. Kaida kake nimo kumuthikiriria. Eni. Thank you muno. Father, tikwenda gukiria hau. Nigwendaga kuga uhoro wa nyanake icio itigacokio guku. President yuko twaririe uturie niki kirakaritie andu aya tukaturehere nyanake icio itunyarire ati uturacimishe kia hinya tukwende twakwendete oguo buri gutari kindu tuhete uko twaririe nyanake icio na ingi ukona ciuke na mabanga itingi tucenjia na heshima kuratuika tondu mutiramathikiriria ati nyanake icio imarangire moke guku ule ona magirangirwo ni nyanake icio no mumathikiririe leo tuge atiriri tuge wathani ucio watu uteri tutigana naguo. And we are very happy na our bishops. Hata siku ile kulitolewa taarifa na mabishop, hata bishop wetu Mweri hakuweko, wakaanza kumuingilia bure tu kwa sababu yeye anasimamanga na ukweli. So Father, we want to thank you. Let the church continue speaking. Ndilake mulira ne ngwari ya mbere ya mweri uyu nimwetereire reke njoe mikwa no ndiroya ndiraria na andu a kanitha ndiraria na andu a biashara ndiraria na andu othe ndiraria na ciana ici citu ire tu agency na andu othe ni maoni ndiroya nigetha ndimwire uria njiritwo ni andu no ndiraigua andu aingi makinjira yuraga ekiraga matigacokia kara haria mekire atia angi makanjira mugikuyu ari gutahika ndacokaga kuria matahi no ndirakioya maundu maingi maria ndirerwo koguo kahinda gakinya mbere ya twihingite mweri uyu ni tukumwira uria guikara na tukwibanga ta nyumba itu nigetha twicaririe gitio twicaririe maendeleo na to make sure maundu maitu ni marathii na njira ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Koguo ni andu atetwo ni ndakena muno na riria muri njita ni ndiriuka ni muri ndiriuka ndimuonie kairitu karia kandugagira ni mukoi mukonaga ku gathanduku-ini kamugeithie Father ngeinjitikiria Pastor Dorcas.
Our Father, our Reverend Father, Father Patrick, our People's Deputy President and the Governor, the County Assembly, na aria othe Ngai atunganitie thiini wa kanitha uyu, Mwathani agocwo ringi. Thank you muno ni undu wa gutwitikira tukorwo twina inyui muthenya wa umuthi kiumia kia mbere, na nitwerwo ati Ngai witu atwenda muno ona tuiria atuthireire uthio wake oimire o iguru agitweka Immanueli, Ngai hamwe na ithui, agioka agikarania na ithui, agituonania akionania we mwene, agitwimenyithia, na nikio muthenya wa umuthi tungikungwira muthenya ucio na mwaka uyu mweru, na tukoiga Ngai witu amwike wega, murathime na athie akimwaramagiria mihaka family cianyu iciuike cia gutherema, mahiu manyu matuike ma guciarana, ona migunda yanyu ituike ya kurathimwo, mwaka uyu utuike mwaka wa gikeno, wa thayu na wa iguano. Mwathani amwike wega.
Chairman wa Development. Aya, kariko gakwa mugitindike. Iyo ya America no mugutwira ndu tukuona no tukunengera ona yo ni ukumake sure no